Welcome to my channel API Test Hub. Myself Prabjot and I'm working as a software developer in test. Today I'm going to start a series to learn about API testing. So welcome to the first part of our API testing series. In this video, we will dive into understanding what APIs and web services are and why they are essential for modern applications. So let's start with what is an API. So API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a messenger that helps two applications to talk to each other. So it is a kind of communication channel between a client and a server. So let's understand it with an example. So think of it a waiter at a restaurant. The waiter acts as an API, takes an order from the client as a request and brings your food as a response from the kitchen. So API as a waiter gets a request from the client, gives that request to the server, and in the response back it gets the food as a response from the kitchen and acts as a medium to give that response back to the client. So API is a method of communication between the client and the server. So it uses different HTTP methods like put, post, get to do this whole process. So next comes the web service. So what is a web service? Web service is a specific API designed to work over the web. A web service is a method of communication between applications over the internet using standard protocols like HTTP or HTTPS. Web services are typically used in distributed systems, allowing applications to communicate with each other regardless of their underlying technologies. So the main difference between an API and a web service is the web service communicates only over HTTP or HTTPS. On the other hand, APIs can use different methods such as HTTP, HTTPS, TCP/IP, or Bluetooth. So next comes the types of APIs. So APIs have several types. So the most commonly used types are the RESTful APIs, which are lightweight, stateless, and uses different HTTP methods like get, put, post, delete, and patch. The other one is the SOAP APIs, which are the older ones and are XML based and are more rigid. The third one is the GraphQL APIs, which are more flexible language for APIs that allows clients to request specific data. So in our testing series, we will primarily focus on RESTful APIs, which are widely used today. So next comes why our APIs and web services are important. So APIs and web services are the core of modern web applications. They allow for integration, data exchange, and scalability. So without APIs, services like online banking, flight booking, online shopping, social media integration, Google Map directions wouldn't be possible at all, because all these applications are integrated with the different types of APIs to provide the data. So APIs are the core of these applications. Without the API, these all applications won't work or exist. So next comes where this API testing fits into this API. So API testing ensures that the functionality of your application's API is working as expected. It's crucial for verifying data accuracy, security, and performance before the deployment. So we do different types of testing on APIs, such as functional testing, performance testing, security testing. So different types of testings we do before the deployment. So in this next part of the series, we will dive deeper into how to test these APIs and best practices for ensuring their quality. So this all series will be about the API testing, different tools we use, why these are testing done, how these are testing done, what are the tools, what are the functional performance security testing. Everything will be included in this series. So that was all about the part 1, where we understood that what are the API and web services and why API testing is important. So ready? Thanks for watching part 1 of our API testing series. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, we will cover how to test REST APIs using popular tools. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.